Okay, so today we are going to see page layouts in Salesforce. Okay, so every object, it might be a standard object, it might be a custom object, as a page layout. Okay, and we are going to see the page layouts for lead object. So go to lead object, customize, leads, and page layouts. Okay. So all these 4 layouts been as out of the box. Whenever you created a Salesforce or using your ID, and all these layouts been already exist. So you can create new layouts. Okay. So in the page layouts, there are different sections in the page layouts. Okay, so the main thing is all the detailed section where which you can put all your fields, and then you can you can create new sections based on the fields you can category. Okay, so let's edit the standard lead layout, the last one.
So Mani, these are the default layouts for any lead, right?
Yeah, for any object, these are the layouts which already come, which pretty much came from Salesforce. We did not create anything new.
Yeah.
So if you see this one, and this is the lead detail, and there are some standard buttons available in the leads. For example, we see a edit button, we see delete button, we see convert, clone, sharing, find duplicates. So actually all these standard buttons are grouped under a section called standard button. And you can create a custom button. So the custom button can be placed inside the iframe called custom button section. Okay. So currently we have not created any custom button, that's why it's not showing up. And the topmost section, when you next to the quick find, okay, so the quick find, yeah, can you move your mouse to the, not there, in the page layout itself there is a quick find. Yeah. So that is the one which is used to search all the fields. Okay, so something like you want to search for company name, type company. Okay, so it brings the company name. So the difference is this field in the section is grayed out. Okay, so which means this field is already used in the layout. That's what it means. So that's why it is grayed out. Okay, and okay, if you remove the you click the into cross button, it's going to remove that quick find. There is a right hand side. There is a small cross. Yeah, it's going to bring back all the things. If you go to that do not call or email opt out, so see it's active, which means these fields can be added to the layout. Yeah, drag and drop anywhere you can drop it. Okay, so for every field there is a, if you hover the field, there you can see 2 kind of a button. One is the minus sign and the small wrench. Okay, for example, for the name and company, it has a blue color thing and it also has a red color thing. So red color means it is a required field, and blue means you cannot remove it from the layout. Okay, so that's what it means. You can just hover over the name and company, you will see only the wrench. You see, okay. It's the same thing if you hover over the title field, you will see a minus sign. Go to the title. Even the lead owner, it says minus sign and also the wrench. Okay, so which means which can be deleted from the layout. Okay, if you go to the title, if you click minus sign in that one, it's going to be deleted. Yeah, which means it removed, that particular field is removed from the layout. So for this fields which has a highlighted red color and red color for asterisk for required field, blue says we cannot remove that field from the layout. Okay, and if it's a small lock sign, which means this is a formula field, we cannot be it says it's a formula field, you cannot edit that field in the layout. So any formula field is visible only on the detail mode of the page. It will not visible on the edit mode of the page. Okay, and you can create sections. And here there is a lead information section. Scroll up. It says it's scroll up. There is one called lead detail. There is a lead information header visible on edit only. Okay, so you can no, the section called lead information section. Yeah. So still use the wrench. Then click that one. See a small. Click that one, and that's going to say okay. So this section is only displayed in the edit mode. But if you're going to check the detail mode, it's going to display in the detail also. Click the detail. No, there's a checkbox, right? Yeah. Check that one and click save. Okay, so now this is visible. This particular block, right? That block will be displayed on edit and also the detail. So detail means it's basically a read-only mode. That's what it means. If I say detail, which means it's a read-only mode. Okay. So if we click any links from the any transactions, you go to a object record, it always loads the record in the detail mode. Yeah. No, don't save it. Save. Okay. So whatever the changes you have done to the layout is gone. Okay, I think you did not make any changes, right? Except that lead information read only. Yeah. Make that lead information section visible in the edit mode. Okay. Now edit the layout. So now we are going to regroup some fields. Okay, we are going to move all the company information, basically address information, to a new section. Okay, so created. Okay, so you see a section sign on the page layout near next to the below the quick find. You can see a section. Yeah, drag and drop. Sonal, I am not able to hear from you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So
where do you want me to drop it?
Yeah, drop it below the address information. And name the section as communication information or detail or anything else information. Okay. And this is where you can decide how many columns you want in that section. You can decide whether it can be a 1 column or 2 column, and also you can determine what kind of tab order it should have, whether it's left to right or top to bottom. So these things can be decided here. Okay, click OK. Now move all the fields like email, phone, fax, everything to this section. Yes. And can you what other field yes.
Address information also.
Address information, yeah, move address also there. Okay. And move the email field to the rightmost column. Yeah. Okay. So now we have sorted, and you can remove that address information section. Delete that section. Yeah. Delete that one. Okay. And there's a two kind of operations in saving. Quick save means it saves and the control still remains in the same page. Okay, if you do a complete save, that save actually takes you to the page where which you are referred. Okay, we don't want to do a save. Now there is a link called preview as. So this is used to view this layout for different profiles. Okay, if you click the preview as, yeah, it's going to display all your profiles. So this is how it's going to look like for this profiles. Okay, you can select for how it's going to look like for a marketing profile or so this is how it looks like various profiles, and you can mini close this one. Okay, and what is the related list? So related list, if any lookup field from an object are going to have a related list. Okay, so in this case, for how many objects lead is a lookup field. All this information. Okay, click the related list. There is a left hand side. There is a related list section. So these are some standard related lists. I think we have a approval history. We have a content, and if this particular lead object is created as a lookup to any other objects, then you will see a related list for that object. For example, can you go to a deal registration, that object you created, and create a lookup to a lead object? And create a new field which is a lookup to lead object. The data type should be lookup. And here we have to select what object it is. You have to select to a lead object. Okay, and you see that child relationship name. Go back. So you can you can just put as a dr instead of a child relationship name. Put as dr. Yeah, and click next. So this is what you will see in the lead object as a relationship in the related list. Click next.
So what is it related to now?
So it's basically it's a foreign key. Okay, what you are trying to do is you are in the deal registration object. You are having a reference to a lead object.
Right.
So basically foreign key. The actual lead ID will be stored in the deal registration record. Okay. It's a foreign key.
Right, but the new field that I'm going to create is having this child relationship, right?
Yeah, it's not a child. It's a foreign key relationship.
Foreign key. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, click next and add this to all the profiles and the layouts. Okay, and you can click next. Yeah, and save. Okay, now go to a lead page layout. Go to a lead object, whatever the layout you are working on. Go there. And that's layout. And in the related list, now you can see a related list for deal reg object. Okay, so scroll down, you will see the deal registration layout object. So it's already there. So now you can customize what are the fields you want in this related list. So click that small wrench sign. And these are all the fields which are available for you to see in this related list. So now select created date, year expiration date, in customer, created date, Okay, created it. And scroll down. Okay, you can select product and product category. And scroll down, and there is the main iframe. There is a bigger scroll bar. Use that one. And also you can select what kind of layouts this should be added. The related list should be added. And how many layouts? You click that button. Okay, so basically currently there is only one new button. There is no custom buttons or anything. That's why it's not displaying in the deal reg. Okay, if you click OK, then all these things you can see now it's applied. Whatever the fields you have added, it's applied here, and you can save. And you can go to a lead record from the lead tab. So from the lead tab, go there, and you can take an existing lead. Yeah, take any data. Okay, if you go to that, you can see the deal reg. From here, if you click the new deal reg, automatically it's going to take you to the new deal reg creation page. Okay, here you can create a new deal, and automatically your lead information is linked here. You see, Miss Bertha Boxer is lead information. So it automatically loads the data. Okay, so this is related list. Okay, and
I am still a little confused about that child relationship that we gave as BR. What does that BR actually signify?
So basically that is the relationship between the deal registration and the lead. Okay, for example, it's nothing but it's a lookup relationship. Okay, so there's two types of relationship, right? There's a lookup and another is a parent child. It's a master slave. So this is not a master slave relationship.
Right.
The difference is if it's a master child slave relationship or parent child, if you are going to delete a parent, all the child record will be deleted.
Right.
That's delete. Okay. This kind of a lookup relationship. So now lead is a lookup record from the deal. From deal registration, you are trying to refer a lead record. Okay. And if that lead record is removed, then what happens in deal registration? There is the first class itself. I told you there is an option in the lookup, right? So either you can make it blank, or you can prevent the user by deleting it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So it's not going to allow you to delete those kind of contents. There's a reference. So another highlight is you save this record. I will show you from the deal registration. You can see all the lead information here. Select that. Okay. Select that one and save this record. If you hover over the lead record, it's going to hover over the lead field. Okay, it's going to display all the lead information. Okay, so you are in the deal reg record, but still you are able to see the lead information because it is a lookup. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So this layout also can be customized. Okay, this layout also can be customized. So that we are going to see that now. Okay, go to the deal registration page layout. Not deal page, I'm sorry. Go to the leads page layout. Yeah, go to the lead layout. Okay. Okay, so in the topmost thing you see a mini page layout. There are three things, right? Mini console view and mini page layout. On the right hand side, move right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, click that mini page layout. and these are all the fields which are visible, right? So now you can add as many information. So now you try to add annual revenue, campaign, estimated booking. Yeah, move it to the selected and save this one. Yeah, save this layout. Yeah, click save. And if you go to the deal regs record, okay, can you just look up and find a lead? It's not, it's blank now, but you can link it. Okay, so all the fields you are added are displayed here. Okay, so there is another specialty about lookup is you can apply filters. Okay, so now with the deal, go to the deal reg object, go to the lead field. We are going to put some filter. You want to display only the lead, the status,
Here?
not page layout. Go to the deal registration. Yeah. You can use the right hand side, use the small arrow key to go to the view
Okay.
fields. Go to the view fields and go to that lead object, lead record, not lead object. Go to yeah, lead thing. Yeah. Okay, and just hold on a minute. I'm getting a call. I have to take this call. Okay.
Mm.
So now basically this means we were customizing the lead object, right? We were adding the fields that we want, we were deleting, and is that right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm back. So now we are in the field. Okay, so scroll down. You can. Oh, okay. So you are in the lead object. Okay. Lead field, right? Okay. Field is a custom field. Lead. Okay. Can you scroll down? Okay. Okay. Can you go back? Actually, can you go back? Okay. So can you click that lead? Look up to lead custom field. Yes. Okay. Can you edit that lead field? Okay. Okay. That's fine. Click cancel. I'm seeing a different UI here. Okay. So custom object. Scroll down. I want to apply a filter, man. Can you click that name that lead field custom field? Yeah. Click that lead. Click on name or field label. Yeah. Okay. All right. Go back to the previous screen. Okay. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is there is a related lookup filters can be applied. Okay. So are you logged in as administrator? Okay. That's great. So go to the lead object, and did we add any lookup to the account from the lead object? Can we go to a lead object? Yeah, customize leads. Yeah, scroll down and scroll down. Okay, can you create a lookup to account object from the lead? Yeah, create a new lookup field called account. Yeah, lookup field called account. Lookup relationship, yes, it's called account, and click next. And yeah, and select the account object. Yeah, so child relationship name. Okay. Yeah, and there is a lookup filter. Hold on. There is a filter settings. Click that one. Show filter. Yeah, filter, and in the filter, what you're going to do is field name is put account. Yeah, account, and I need account state province. Account state province. You can put billing state province. Okay. And equals to. And you have any account? We can find out. Value put CA. Yeah, and value does not exist or doesn't match criteria. Okay, so if the filter type is required and lookup window text. Okay, filter is active. Now save this one. Click next. Yeah, make it visible to all the profiles, and likewise make it visible to all the layouts. Yeah, click next. Yeah, add it to all the layout. Yeah, related this label can be leads, and save this one. Okay, now go to account tab and set up some records where which account billing says state province is California. Yeah, select any accounts. Yeah, double edit that one. And yeah, California. Can you make that as a CA? Okay. And yeah, save this account, and now go to a lead record. Yeah, go to existing lead one, and yeah, existing lead. You can go from the recent leads. It's okay. Yeah, click that lead name. Here the account field. Can you? Where is it account? Yeah, account is in the topmost. And look up and find for. Just put see basically okay. Type other rest of the thing. Type Yahoo. Because it should filter on your applied filters here, right? It should not display Yahoo account. It should display only BMW. It should not display Yahoo. Okay. So do one thing. Go to the Yahoo account, and yeah, it's going to display BMW will be displayed. Yeah. Go to the okay. Don't select anything. Go to a Yahoo account. And go to the Yahoo account and change the billing state province as CA. Now your filter, your lookup search in the lead record should find Yahoo account. You have to save this record. Did not save. Okay, go here and look up for Yahoo. Okay, so this is your lookup filters. You can apply a filter on a lookup information also. Okay, so now
You have to put that filter when you're creating the lookup. You cannot put it after once you have created the.
no, I don't know. Actually, it is possible, but I don't know why we are not able to put a filter from deal reg to lead. Okay, so I need to, because deal reg is a custom object and lead is a standard object. And I don't know why we are able to do a filter. We should be able to do it, but I'll get back to you. I'll check why it's not applicable and I'll update you.
Okay.
Mani, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
We put a CA for both Yahoo and BMW, right?
Yeah.
But when we were searching for Yahoo, CA, it should show BMW also, right?
No, because when you, how did you search? When you searched it, the account has some values at YA. Remove that one.
Oh, okay. Not
do a now search for, remove that and do a search for BMW. Yeah. Okay. And there are a lot of layouts is available. Okay, go to the leads home tab, leads tab. For example, the one you are seeing right, recent leads, that is also a tab. It's also a layout. It can be configured. Okay, so let's configure this thing. Go to lead setup, customize lead setup. We are going to customize this recent leads tab. Okay, that layout. We are going to add a new column there. So go to customize. You can open up a new tab. Go to leads. And go to search layouts. There's a link called search layouts. Go there, and here we are going to do that. That's called as the leads tab. Select that one. So currently it's having only 3 fields: name, company, phone. So I want to display email, website, mobile, and first name, last name. Add these fields. And select this and save this one. And you go to that next tab in the leads. Leads home. No, there's another tab, right? Another tab you have opened in the browser. Go there. Yeah, that's right. Go there and refresh this page. So now you see you have whatever the columns you have added is displayed here. Okay. Likewise, you can do a global search. Do a global search. When I say it's a global search, do a search for BMW. Don't do that. Is a selection. I want to search. Hit search now. No, this is okay. I don't want to select recent items. I want to search. Okay. So you see the one, this has searched everything. Okay, it has searched a BMW company name. It has searched all the information has come here. Okay. So if you scroll down, these are all the objects it has performed the search. And it found only one matching record for BMW on account, which is displayed. Now I want to change this layout. Basically, this search column, I need more information. Okay, so how do we do that? Same thing, you go to that setup, customize account tab, account section. Customize. Instead of lead, go to accounts. Okay. Likewise, there is a search layouts. So there is one called search results. Select the search results. Here you are going to add the column like billing, street, city, all the billing related information. Add it there. And save this. And go to the search result, the other tab you have opened, and refresh. Now we are going to see these additional fields.
So similarly, if you want to change, say for attachments, we'll go to that objects and
So attachment is not an object, but it's something like contacts, deal reg,
right?
Whatever the objects.
Right. Okay.
You are trying to search an account, right? You go to a lead record. Go to a lead record. Yeah, go to a lead record. From there, look for the account lookup. Yeah, double click and open up the lookup. You see, there are only 4 columns visible. Okay, so if something business is asking, I need to see other information to take a decision to select this account or not, because it does not have the information where which I can decide. Basically, it needs all the address information from which country this account belongs to.
Right.
It can be customized. Okay, you go to that accounts setup, customize account, search layouts. Yeah, here go to lookup. No, the one that one is. Go there and then select all the billing related address information. But this might be a simple configuration from go to the leads record. From the user perspective, this gives lot of value adds to run the business. Yeah. So this is a search layout. These are the layouts. Okay. So layouts. Okay. So before we go.
Mani, I have a question.
Yes, Sri.
Now, when we were looking up at the billing, Sonal, can you go back to that screen?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to go?
Where we added all those fields, billing,
yeah.
Lookup dialog edit.
Yeah.
What is this data.com field?
Data.com is a separate product. Okay. So this is mainly like you know how Dun and Bradstreet database is.
Yeah.
Okay, something like recently, I think 4 years before, Salesforce acquired a product called Jigsaw. Okay, so Jigsaw is a contact database, for which this is how it works. So if you want to add a new contact, you get paid $1 for every new contact you add, and to update existing contact, you are paid 50 cents. That's how they built this huge contact database. Okay, to run a business, contact is key. Something like, okay, so you are trying to sell some machinery, sell some cars, okay, to government sector. You want to know who is from the government in the procurement division. Okay, so blindly you don't know. You know that it's a California, it's a Santa Clara County, but you don't know who's going to be the procurement manager, right? So those things can be found in this data.com. Okay, so that is the key. If you are going to integrate Salesforce with the data.com, data.com comes actually with a separate license. Okay, so I think it should be available also. So that is the key. When you are going to create a lead out of the data.com key, it's going to automatically populate this key. Okay, click the plus sign and see whether there is any data.com. No, not this one. The tab, there is a plus sign, right? Click that one. Yeah. So there should be on the left hand side, you see data.com, you see a D sign here, click that one. Okay, so you can do any search. Okay, for example, you search tell your husband name. If you're doing full-time job, you can see if data is there, you can do a search.
Okay. DENKAP.
So what's his company name? You can do the search by the company.
JDSU.
Can you type this one out?
I didn't get that. What?
Can you spell that?
JDSU.
JDSU. Okay. Yeah, you can hit a search, find out that's hit a search. Okay. So it has brought in, and you can. What is your husband's title? You want to, or we can put the people's name. So what's your husband's name, please?
Venkat. Yeah, Venkat.
Venkat, yeah. Search. Okay, so there's nobody by this name. Okay, so if you know any known persons from previous company, you can do search. For example, put Adobe. Put a company name as Adobe. Yeah, this is searches everything, right? So by the name, put Adobe. And put the name as Stuart Song. STUART. ART space Wong, WONG. Yeah, search. Okay, so this is the senior manager business process. So it got the address, right? So something like in the sales process, you want to try to reach him. You don't have it. Yeah, click this Stuart Wong, the name, which there is a link on his name. If you click that, okay, say it, you have to upgrade this to a paid version. Okay. So, but you can, yeah, this is how it's used. Basically, it's mainly to get the contact information. Okay. So that's how sales people do, right? They know a company who might be interested in buying the product. They don't know the exact contact. So this is the tool to go find the exact contact. Okay. So any other question, Sri?
That's all from me.
Okay.
So basically today what we were doing is we were laying out new fields, whether existing fields we want to modify or we want to create new layouts. We did in
Yeah, pretty much we are looking at how to use the layouts and what are the various sections in the layouts. Okay. And I'm going to give a business scenario. Okay. So the scenario is I have two profiles like
So now you want to type in
lead, which is known as the okay. Okay, so the field is estimated booking. Okay, and that field, yeah, I think we have an existing document, right? You can use that one.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. So the assignment is to create a field in lead object. Okay. So the lead object is estimated booking. And this field is not a required field on an object level, which means when you create this field in the lead object, you don't need to mention this field as a required field. Okay, so basically it is an optional field on the object level. Okay, when when a user from marketing one profile, this field is visible to both the users, both the profiles. This is visible to marketing profile and also to sales profile. And if a marketing user from a marketing profile is trying to create a lead, and this is the optional field, which means they don't need to enter this value. Okay. The same lead record, if a salesperson from sales profile is trying to create a lead, then hello Sonal Sri.
Yeah, we hear you, but we can't hear you.
Yeah, I didn't get you. You have to do the same thing with the sales profile?
Yeah, see, this is not a required field on object level, but yeah, if a marketing user, a marketing user tried to create a lead, this is the optional field. Okay.
Right.
the same field should be a required field for a sales profile user.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the assignment. So how are you going to do that?
Maybe we should put it in the condition.
Must be a required field for
Sales.
profile, yeah, sales profile, and it's optional field or marketing profile. Okay. So you want to think, or shall I give you the solution? You can apply the solution and practice.
We can try it out once and then get back to you.
Okay, good. So, okay, let's go to that layout thing, and I will show you some assignments. Okay.
Yeah.
Before that, so there is a business process in the lead.
Just a second.
Yeah. Today is 11/12/2020.
Hello. Hello.
I'm here, Sonal.
Okay. I thought I lost everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go to setup on leads. No, setup customize leads.
Just a second.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, okay. So there is one called lead process. Click that one. So let's discuss what is a lead process. Okay. So lead process. Okay. So by name itself, it's a business process to be adopted for lead management. Okay. So in an organization. So a organization can have a different types of lead process. For example, a marketing team can have a different kind of lead process, and a sales team can have a different kind of lead process. Okay. The lead process is driven by lead status field. Okay, so lead status field is the field which drives this lead process. For example, there is various stages in a lead. Marketing team are responsible for sourcing a lead. Okay. So they will have a different types of lead status values. When they maintain a lead, they will maintain a lead with a different set of lead status. Those status fields are the business drivers for marketing team. Likewise, sales team also can generate a lead. So they will have a different kind of sales process. So they want to drive their own set of lead statuses. But the field is only one field. But there should be a bifurcation in terms of two processes. Okay, so that's where this lead process comes. Now we are going to create two lead process. one is marketing. Yeah, before that, let's add the pick list values to the lead status field. Go to fields, status. Yeah, go to status field, which is a standard field. Okay, so we are going to add 6 new values to this field. Okay, click new. Okay, so it's for value first one. It's known as MGL. Okay, MGL. M as an marketing generated lead. Yeah, in MGL, which stands for marketing generated lead, and second one is marketing qualified lead, MQL, and third one is marketing accepted lead, MAL, and the third one sales generated lead, SGL, and sales qualified lead, SQL, and sales accepted lead, SAL. Okay, so these are all the status values. Now go to the process, save it. Now go to the process, and we are going to create. Click new, and yeah, so it's okay. We have only one process, master. Click marketing process, marketing lead process. Okay, and save. And you are going to include first 4 lead status, and along with that, you are going to add all the 3 marketing lead status. Okay, this is already added. Remove all the sales lead status out of the list. SGL, SQL, SAL, remove that from the list. Yeah. Remove remove only sales related status values. Yeah, remove it, and yeah, save it. Okay, now create a new process as sales lead process. Okay, here remove only the marketing related values. Yeah, remove that from the market and save. Okay, now we have 2 processes, right? Okay. So now the next concept is called the record types. Okay. So what is a record type? First of all, you have to keep in mind that the pick list values in an object are the business driving values, or the business driving fields, because it is not a variant, it is a fixed value, which is not going to change. So those pick list values are very important for decision making. That is where, because it's not a variant. Okay, it's basically a fixed value to the organization. So organization in all its drivers, all these pick list values. It's the value which cannot be changed. Okay, so for every type of users belong to a different profiles, using the record types, you can determine what pick list value should be a default value and what are the values should be visible to them. These 2 things can be determined via record types. Okay, and also a page layout assignment is possible through a different profiles via record type. Okay, or something, the same lead can be seen in a different layout by a marketing profile. A same lead can be seen different by a sales profile because of these record types. Okay. So now we are going to create 2 record types. Go to the record type section. Below this lead process, there is a record type. No, below the there's record type, and we are going to create new record type. And the record type label is same thing, marketing record type. And the lead process is going to be marketing lead process. And This is available to only marketing profile. Uncheck and display only to marketing profile. System administrator, you are at system admin and marketing profile. And yeah, save. Click next. And this should be visible to okay. Layout all profiles. Yeah, apply to lead layout. Change it. Apply to lead layout. And okay. So do one thing. Switch back. Okay, switch back. Yeah, apply. Apply to apply everybody. Lead marketing layout. Put the lead marketing layout. And apply to different profile. Only change for the marketing profile. Yeah, change the first one to leads layout. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, lead layout, right? Yes. And save this one. So this is configurable. You can change it. Okay. So now we have a scroll down. There should be a. Okay, now. Okay, so now we have a record type created. Okay, marketing lead process. Okay, so these are all the pick list values which is available for the user to edit. Okay, click the lead source. Click the lead source. Okay, can you go? Okay, so lead source. Go back. Go back. Okay, can you go? Yeah. So for industry campaign status, scroll down. Product interest rating. Okay, so product of interest. Right. Select the product. Select the product of interest. Okay. Okay. So there are actually 3 products, right? So okay. So okay. So okay. So assign only remove the 5000 series from this group. From this product of interest, remove the 5000 series and make GC 1000 as the default one. Yeah. Yeah. Click save. So this is the marketing profile, right? Yes. Likewise, go to the sales record type. Click record types. It will take you to click record types. And yeah, click marketing lead process. Yeah, click new record type. Yeah. No. Click new. Yeah. Make it as a sales record type. Yeah. That's okay. That's we are cloning from which object. Put sales record type. And the lead process should be sales lead process. Yeah. And okay. And make it visible only for 2 and 3 and make it also visible to 3. And that's true. Next. And yeah, and yes, okay. Let it be sales. Let it be sales layout. No. First tab, select the sales layout. Yeah, and now switch to the second tab and change. Yeah, that one. Change 2 and 3. That's correct. Okay, save it. Save it. Okay, save. Okay. So now go to that product of interest. And remove GC 1000 series. Remove GC 1000 series and make GC 5000 series as the default. So now let's click OK. Login as a marketing profile user.
I think here you. Hello?
Yeah. Go to the manage users and you will see the list of users. Okay, marketing profile. Yeah, 0 to marketing. Yeah, sales and sales rep. Yes, login as that user. Okay, go to. We don't have leads. Go to one. Okay, go to the go to the other profile. It's not having access. Go to the yeah. This has leads. Yeah, go to here and yeah, click new lead. Okay, so what are the changes we did? Okay, so for example, we made product of interest as a default field value for the marketing profile. Okay, that is happening. It's been defaulted. Okay, so because via a pick list value, you cannot default a value. Okay, so if you want to default a specific value, it is possible only by record type. Okay. And if you click that lead status, you will not see yes sales related status field. Okay, you see only the marketing related field. Likewise, in the product of interest, I think we removed GC 5000, right? Select the product of interest. GC 5000 is removed, so it's not displaying. Okay. All these kind of configurations are controlled by these record types. Likewise, if you log in as a sales rep user, log out as this user and log in as a sales rep user, you mean that yeah, sales rep. Okay, maybe yeah, edit and change the profile to sales profile. Yeah, read it no previous user. The previous user change the profile of that user. Yeah, the one where yeah, edit and change it. Edit and no, not here. You have to change the user record. Change it to sales profile. Yeah. Save it. And now log in as this user and see in the lead object. Go to the lead, create a new lead record. You see, check the lead status. It's not going to see your marketing related fields. It's only displaying HCL. Okay. So likewise, the product category, the product of interest, we made GC 5000 as a default and we removed the GC 1000. So all this functionality is based on this your record type. Okay. Now we are going to see the any questions? Okay, now we are going to see how we are going to assign a different layouts to different profiles via record types. Okay, go to customize leads, page layouts. Okay, so there is a button called page layout assignment. Yeah, click that one. So this is the grid where which we are going to use to assign a different layouts to different profiles. Okay, so currently if you see we have three record types. One is master, which is default. We have a marketing record type. We have a sales record type, and that's been assigned to different page layouts. Okay, so we see all the marketing record types is having the marketing layout. Sales is having the sales layout. Okay, so one thing is hard. Okay, so I don't want this 01 profile to be seeing marketing and lead layout which we assigned actually. Okay, so we are going to change it here. Edit the assignment. Yeah, edit assignment and go to that. Select that one. No, previously select a layout. Which layout you want to change? There is a pick list. Page layout to use. Yeah, and yeah, select the lead marketing layout. First one. And it's automatically changed. Now if you save it, Okay, so likewise the sales record type is having a different layout. Okay, so we are going to edit and change it to lead sales layout. Okay, now save it. Sure. So every profile can have a different layout. Okay, the same data can be viewed in a different UI. Okay, so in terms of this field can be arranged or anything. So it's possible via the record type. Okay, so now go to a page layout. Something, go to the lead marketing layout. Go there. Yeah, just click and go there.
What? I didn't hear you.
So go to that layout. Yeah, you're right. You have gone. Okay. So now scroll down. There is a field called estimated booking. Right. Select the field. Field called estimated booking.
Yeah.
Okay. So hover over the field and you see a small wrench sign. Click that one. And the properties, you will be seeing two options. Okay, one is read only, another is required field. Okay, so you can make the field as a read only in the layout, and also you can make a field required in the layout. Okay, so these are the properties. Okay, click cancel, and there is another way to make a field as a read only. Okay, so go to the lead fields. Yeah, customize lead, customize fields. Yeah, go to the same, go to the estimated booking field. That's a custom field. Yeah, click that field, and there is one box button called set field level security. Okay, click that. So what is the field level security? Field level security gives, it's basically a security of the field on the field level. Okay, it gives two things. It gives the visibility of the field to profile, and you can determine whether that particular profile can see this field as editable or read only. Okay, so only one option is there. If you are going to check the read only option, which means this field is going to be read only. If you don't check, user can edit it. That's what it means. For example, for the marketing profile, I have set this field as a visible and editable. Okay, if you go and check that read only thing, check the read only thing. Yeah, okay, then marketing profile will not even see this field. Okay, so now we have set for all the profiles, right? So yeah, uncheck this field editable only to marketing profile 01 marketing profile, and yeah, save this one and check this one. Login as a marketing user. Go to that lead. Go to lead option. Check what is happening to the estimated booking field.
It's editable.
Okay, because only profile marketing profile is editable. Okay, the same thing you log in as a Western sales. This field is not be edit. Yeah, log out. Yeah, so it will not be editable field. Okay. So this is controlled by a concept called field level security, called as the FLS. Okay. So you guys have time and energy. That's the last topic I want to cover. Shall I cover, or you want to take it tomorrow?
Whichever way.
I think it's too much for today because we had a class in the morning also.
Yeah, true.
Okay, but today's morning class is compensation for yesterday's class. Yesterday I didn't take class. Okay. All right. This is simple. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so if you guys, okay, all right, I will cover it tomorrow. Okay.
No, that's fine. If it's small, it's okay. Go ahead.
But it's small, but it's important. Okay. So I will take it tomorrow. Give you a fresh mind. I will take it tomorrow. Okay. And do that assignment. Pretty much, I have given a hint also for this assignment. You can do it.
Yeah.
Do this assignment, and I'll review the assignment tomorrow. And any questions, please we'll start with your Q&A. And whenever you have questions, let's clarify immediately. Don't accumulate your questions, and don't feel free to ask questions.
Yeah.
There is no question is a dumb question. Okay, all the questions are important. Okay, so ask questions, and tomorrow I will talk to you by 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we don't have morning class. We have only evening class tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.